Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary today is 155th, and it is not only important for the India, but to the international, all the country in the world, and for we Tibetan, it's all the more important. Why? Because we follow, as His Holiness have time and again stressed, to follow the footpath of Mahatma Gandhi, non-violence, satyagraha, and and whatever you do should be done with a sense of kindness and compassion. So since we are the follower of Mahatma Gandhi, I think it's extremely important for Tibet.
Do you hope China will also follow the path of Gandhiji?
It's for me to predict may be very difficult, but CCP may not. But Chinese, on the whole, I think, in the heart of heart, there are so many who follow, who have become the disciple of His Holiness, following Buddhism. So, in the heart of heart, if they are real human being, should realize the importance of non-violence. Particularly, it's very relevant now